it's all still in there. I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out, man. I almost did, but it's alright. I figured I brought too much, though, and I did. I popped the trunk. Everybody's like, yeah, too much. Supposed to burn a couple cakes and get out just in case. And just in case did happen. I wanted to bring in, just in case we, the other just in case. We had a little time and everybody ran out and wanted some shells to pop or something, I wanted to be that guy. But I guess you're not that guy, pal, because Kamikaze Karen stepped out onto the goddamn field, tried stealing my cake, stepped on my trinos. She tried to get my cowabungas, which the homie had to go back for. Thank you very much. And just plain, thank you for the cleanup, buddy. Yeah, but this lady was crazy, man. She tried to steal this cake while Golden Time and Hell's Bells were burning. She's trying to kick it over. Trying to take one of those to the face, bro? Trying to take one? What? What are you doing? And then he runs over like, fuck it. I'm going to burn everything and go. He starts hitting the Chronics. Starts hitting the Rambo. Bitch steps in front of the rack, almost takes one to the chest. What are you thinking? Karen, go home. You could be having a much better time from your porch watching the show. I'm sorry you don't like them, but I love them, and my love trumps your hate, baby. God, I just realized what I just said. That's all right. America's fuck, boy. So I'll get into the Bombas and a better angle of what he shot. You might be able to point her out in there if you feel like it. Maybe next time. All right, Pyros. Talk that shit. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That was a fucking good one. That's what I'm talking about.